Yeah. Uh, Now let's continue this. As part of AWS RDS, now let's see how to connect this RDS. We just created Aurora MySQL compatible using AWS RDS, okay, in AWS Cloud. How to connect this MySQL database? So first one, AWS RDS providing query editor, query editor. Using this query editor, we can create a connection between MySQL, Aurora MySQL database. Then here you can write SQL. You can write SQL. This is one way of connecting. Second one, install any database clients like MySQL Workbench in your machine, DB our MySQL Workbench. Then using JDBC or ODBC, you can create a connection to RDS MySQL database. Or using any application, any programmatic approach like Java, Python, Spark, Glue, etc. Use JDBC or ODBC and you can create a connection. Then you can interact with MySQL. So using any database client, you can directly write SQL queries. These are different ways to connect AWS RDS team. So let's see. First, let's see connecting AWS RDS using query editor. Go to AWS RDS. AWS RDS. Okay. So in AWS RDS, you can see query editor. Let me open query editor in new tab. Select database cluster name. I give Akkem Sreenivas -db and database username. Database username, database username is admin and enter password. Then see, enter the database name or schema. At this point of time, we do not have any database created or schema is created. Just click on connect to database. Then here it is asking you should enable data API. So click on modify database and scroll down. Enable the RDS data API. Click on this one. Click on enable data API. Then once again, yeah, let's wait to complete this data API enable option. Yeah. Now data API is enabled successfully. Let's go to query editor once again. Select a database name and enter username. and password is entered. Click on connect to database. Now you can see query editor is connected. So here you can write any SQL query. So here you can create a database, you can create, you can write any SQL query to get the details to. Like any SQL query you can write in this query editor. So let's say create database. Database name is MyDB. Select this one, Control Enter. Then use MyDB. Then show tables. Currently there are no tables in MyDB. There are no tables. You can change database, use admin, and then MyDB. Show tables. There are no tables in this database. There are no tables in this database. So here you can write any SQL query. So this is query editor provided by AWS RDS to connect any database. So first approach clear, right, team? How to connect MySQL Aurora database using query editor?